before we write a single line of code. On the left is an AI chat, and on the right is a local notes folder. I tell the AI to draft a daily briefing. Without me copying, pasting, or clicking anything, it writes a structured document directly into my notes. That is what we are building today. We are taking an open-source AI agent framework called OpenClaw and wiring it directly into an Obsidian Notes vault to build a fully automated second brain. To follow along, you need 3 things installed on your computer. Step 1, Node.js version 24. Step 2, an active API key from an AI provider like Anthropic or OpenAI. And Step 3, the Obsidian desktop application. Running this entirely on your own hardware means the AI stores your files locally, not on a remote corporate server. You get the intelligence of a massive cloud model, but with total control over your private data. Let's set up the storage environment. Open Obsidian, click Create New Vault, and name it AI Second Brain. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or your Documents folder. Now we need to configure Obsidian to accept outside instructions. Go to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open your settings menu. Scroll down until you see the command line interface option and toggle it on. If you skip this, the AI agent will be completely blocked from accessing your notes later. By enabling command line access, you bypass the standard graphical menus. This creates a direct text-based pipeline, so the external AI framework can read and write files directly to your hard drive. With the vault prepped, we move to the terminal to install the AI framework. First, verify your node installation by typing node-version. You are looking for a return value of 24. If you have an older version installed, the setup will likely fail. Once your version is confirmed, run the installation command to download the framework to your machine. The terminal will launch an onboarding wizard. When it prompts you for your model provider, select either Anthropic or OpenAI and paste your active API key to authorize the AI. Watch the terminal output. Once the setup finishes, look for a confirmation message saying the gateway is listening on port 18789. That tells you the server is live. Leave the terminal running in the background. Open your web browser and type in 127.0.0.1:18789. This brings you to the OpenClaw Control UI dashboard. What you are looking at is a local gateway. You have turned a basic script into an always-on intelligence server, hosted on your own machine. Now we need to connect the intelligence server to your notes. Open the chat interface inside the OpenClaw dashboard. In the chat box, type the command to install the Obsidian CLI skill. This downloads the specific toolset OpenClaw needs to interact with your vault. Next, tell the AI exactly where to look. Copy the full file path for your AI Second Brain folder, paste it into the chat, and instruct OpenClaw to set this as its active working directory. The agent takes natural language, parses it, and converts it into explicit file system commands. Bridging these systems creates a local storage layer. The AI writes every interaction directly to your vault, building a searchable archive for future sessions. Let's test the connection. Arrange your screen so the OpenClaw chat is on one half and your empty Obsidian vault is open on the other. In the OpenClaw chat, type, "Create a daily briefing note for today. Include a template for my tasks and a section for meeting notes." The agent processes the request for a few seconds. Then, it instantly generates a brand new Markdown file inside your previously empty Obsidian vault. Click on that new file in Obsidian. You can see the agent applied the correct headers, bullet points, and structure exactly as requested. Automating the handoff from the chat to the vault removes the manual steps usually required to keep a system updated. The file is created and organized in one step, keeping your workspace synchronized without manual effort. Your setup is complete. You now have a fully functional, read and write capable local AI agent integrated with your notes. You can scale this up immediately. Using OpenClaw's scheduling tools, you can set a cron job to automatically run that exact daily briefing prompt every morning at 7 a.m., so your workspace is prepped before you even wake up. All the copy-paste commands and links to the OpenClaw documentation are down in the video description. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next workflow tutorial. When an agent manages your local files and schedule, it operates as a background layer to your day. This setup automates administrative work, allowing the system to handle logistical details while you focus on the core of your project.
Enhance your coding skills with us. Don't forget to subscribe to Code 5 Food for the latest updates and tutorials.